In need of a watch worthy of sparking conversations? How about a convenient way to organize and keep your cards safe? Maybe a toolkit that works for almost every situation. You're going to want to see this next lineup of McGiver-worthy gadgets that'll have you itching to pull out your wallet. Literally. Let's get into it. Now this is a classic James Bond-style watch. The Snyder Ironclad watch screams luxury and class all day long, and it is one of the perfect gadgets to get your man. It's a tough-looking watch that can be fitted with a windproof cigar lighter that clips onto the bars on the left hand, and it's made with PVD-coated stainless steel with a rubber strap. There are touches of red on the time flange, second hands, and logo on the crown. This watch gives off a super sporty look thanks to its strap stitching. The best part? It's water resistant. It also saves you the stress of carrying a lighter as well as sparking new conversations left, right, and center. It's the perfect piece to add to your night out. What's better than a head-turning cyberpunk gadget for your helmet? Nothing. This gadget has an algorithm that allows you to set a variety of animations, as well as any RGB color of your choice. It has an inbuilt microphone that listens to any song you play and vibes to it. These light stripes are flexible enough to go on any motorcycle helmet. They're easy to install and water resistant. For those that love this but don't own a bike, you're in luck. They can also fit backpacks, gaming PCs, and non-motorcycle helmets. This really is heaven on earth. Nothing would make a bike enthusiast happier than looking like a character out of Star Wars while out on the road. Are you the type that can't wait to go camping every summer? Perhaps obsessed with outdoor activities and adventures? Here is the perfect gadget for you. This toolkit comprises life-saving tools ranging from a water bottle, a wire saw, a first aid kit, a multifunctional spoon, a fire starter, flashlight, screwdrivers, a knife, ruler, and so much more. It's also packed with a waterproof bag, which is very portable and durable. It's got all you need to enjoy the adventure time of the great outdoors, whether that be camping, mountain climbing, hiking, or anything else your heart desires. Now this is the ultimate wallet. This metallic multi-purpose card holder has 3 components, the Alpha, Beta, and V cover, which can be used separately or combined as a metallic wallet. This gadget is the absolute solution to losing cards or money, or taking the wrong card to a place. It fits perfectly to phones and keeps your essential cards, cash, and EDC tools organized and safe. The exciting part of this wallet is that it also features hidden tools like a bottle opener, a replaceable high-carbon steel knife, and a screwdriver. The Mag Cardholder is all you need to ensure you don't lose anything, not even to the bad guys. Looking to stay warm and light the way? Here you go. This knitted hat is made from an exceedingly soft material, making it super comfy to wear throughout the day. Did I also mention that it has an inbuilt speaker, microphone, and charging port? Heck yeah, it does. You can listen to your favorite songs while it keeps your head warm, and it even comes with an LED headlight to illuminate the dark. It's suitable for so many activities such as running, jogging, and cycling. If music is indeed a way we reconnect and feel alive, then it would be wrong to settle for less. This next gadget is one of the best ways to enjoy music on the go. It's aesthetically pleasing, portable, and loud, up to 80 decibels at 75% volume. It has a hook that can be clipped to bags and belts, making it extremely convenient to vibe to your favorite music. Inspired by current street fashion, this gadget is ready for anything you throw at it, as it pairs well to any outdoor lifestyle of your choice. Its lightweight, attractive design allows you to bring this anywhere and everywhere, and the variety of colors ensures it matches your style no matter where you go. One can never go wrong with the JBL Clip 4. Now this is shaving made easy. The Mo razor combines the proximity of a blade with the convenience of an electric razor. It's super light and cuts hair as it rolls and glides, giving lasting, clean, fresh skin. The best part is that it's safe and suitable to use on the go, and you don't even need to have a messy wet shave. It works perfectly on just your skin. And of course, the gadget's rollers are replaceable to keep your shave fresh and clean. Keep losing things to the depths of your engine bay? Speak no further, as this tool is an absolute must-have in any garage. The set includes retractable magnetic pickup tools with LED lights, a 360-degree swivel bendable strong magnetic head, ultra-slim telescoping magnetic stick, and a pocket clip, all while being incredibly portable. The black LED magnet light tool allows you to pick up things quickly from the dark, tight spots, and the 360-degree swivel ensures flexible pickup of items from different angles. I could go on, but trust me, this gadget is a necessity in any garage or car repair shop. We'll catch you later!